Yeah, my name's Robbie Phillips. I've been on the board here for probably a little over 3 years. And I actually grew up on the east side of town, toward maybe 30th and Emerson, fairly close. And I also used to tutor at a school which is in the district, which is probably about a mile away. So that kind of really made me understand, the cycle of poverty in this area, because later on I found out that 95% of the school children at that particular elementary school that I tutored were on either free or reduced lunch. So that's what really kind of brought it home even more once I got on the board. One thing we do is a sponsor a child program, which is very, very easy and very minimal amount of money per month. A lot of businesses probably do it per year. We actually just do it per year, but you can do it per month. It's a very minimal amount that you can donate to a child, which helps out things such as food. It's just basic eating, the things we take for granted, that you can absolutely do. Other things is around Christmas, collecting gifts for children that maybe are in need of things like that around Christmas. So I think there's a couple of things that's very easy that a business owner could do to get them involved with Shepherd Community Center. My daughter actually knows someone that goes to Heritage Christian School with her, and the young lady has intimated on a few occasions how Shepherd has really made a difference in her life, and also gives her an opportunity not only to go to a school like Heritage Christian, otherwise she may not have, but also what Shepherd does in her life as it relates to the mentoring, the tutoring, and also, of course, just some of the basic necessities of life. I'm not sure really if anyone can imagine what it would be like without Shepherd, with all the programs, whether it be the legal clinic, the medical things we do, feeding people in the morning on Saturday mornings, places for children to go after school, tutoring. The list goes on and on and on. So honestly, I can't even imagine what it would be like with Shepherd not being here. I don't even think that's even. I don't even want to think about that possibility, and that's why I think myself, board members, IMPD, areas of the community are so involved in continuing to dig deep so we can continue to work on breaking the cycle of poverty.